Honda's Racy Super One fakes engine sounds and gear shifts. The Super One EV combines fake gears, engine sounds, and cheeky style in a compact package that proves electric cars can still be fun. The new model launches next year as the Super One or Super N. Honda confirmed a simulated 7-speed powertrain setup. Sporty design includes wide arches, bumpers, and a rear spoiler. The Super EV concept previewed by Honda at the Goodwood Festival of Speed has morphed into this. The Super One prototype. Presented at the Japan Mobility Show this week, this model is a close preview of a new production model that'll essentially serve as a successor to the Honda E. Presented in Tokyo as the Super One prototype, the pint-sized electric city car will be sold across Japan, Asia, and Oceania as the Super One, but sold in the UK as the Super N. It is based around Honda's new N1e-K cars sold in Japan and has a sporty persona that's bound to appeal to some performance car enthusiasts. Honda hasn't released powertrain details for the model, but says it's equipped with a simulated 7-speed transmission and an active sound control system that mimics the soundtrack of a powerful engine. The virtual gear shifts and the ICE-inspired soundtrack will fire into life when the car is driven in boost mode. Additionally, there'll be dedicated interior displays and coordinated lighting sequences to enhance the thrill of driving. It's not just the driver-focused nature of the Super One that makes it stand out from the old Honda E. It also has a fun exterior design. Looking more like a car that has been tweaked by an aftermarket firm for the Tokyo Auto Salon, the EV includes bulging wheel arches and sporty bumpers. It even has a small wing at the rear. Honda's Racy Super One fakes engine sounds and gear shifts. Found in the cabin are sporty seats trimmed in black, white, and grey upholstery. There's also a small digital instrument cluster and a large central infotainment display similar to other Honda models. The production model will hit the market next year, first launching in Japan, before being added to Honda's UK range and in several other Asian markets. The Super N prototype promises to offer a great entry point to Honda EV ownership when it arrives in our market next year, building on the excitement we saw for the concept model at Goodwood this summer, Honda UK head Rebecca Adamson said. By bringing Honda's trademark, fun-to-drive, performance to a compact all-electric model, we believe this is a unique proposition and we are excited for people to experience it from 2026.